Careful.
Hello. We're like in the middle of nowhere, and this house is completely, like literally completely made out of wood. And so what we've been doing, we come back each month and we set up reflectors in different areas as they're needed. And whenever we see damage where the woodpeckers are pecking at, we put these metal sheets over it so that they can't peck into the house anymore. And we don't want them to peck all the way through. We want to stop it because if you don't, bats will get into the house and into the attic. And they were getting through one of these knots and they were chewing. There was a woodpecker that pecked through the screen, and so that allowed the bats to get into the attic. So we just put this little vent over it to make them not be able to stay in there anymore. And then here we have a reflector for the woodpeckers because they're damaging this area in here. All that light brown, that's from woodpecker damage. And so we installed this reflector to help deter them away. And then also, we were going to put it over there, but we decided to put it more towards the edge of the porch because it's windier over here, and then that'll help it to spin and turn and whatever, and then the reflection will scare the woodpeckers. Thank you. And that's how it's done. Works out.
Two things.
And we eat unhealthy food together. Really good in his church clothes. Whew, all nice and tight. What else? We work together, we go to the gym together, we go to church together, and we even go to school together.
There she is working hard again.
Yeah, this is exactly what it's like all the time.
Whatever. Make sure you get that area right there. Right there. Oh, Sean, come over here. Yay! Diseases enter through the eyes, nose, and the mouth, and you want him to stick this thing back up my nose so he can stretch my nostrils. Heck!
For the camera.
For
the people.
Oh, you sicko.
For the subscribers. For the subs.
What was the point of that?
You nasty.
Smile. It looks like one of those fish at Walmart that look like they're smiling. Like they have a mouth just like that.
I look like a fish.
It's the cutest thing ever.
Like